Hello and welcome to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making cookie dough protein bites. These bites are so easy to make, healthy, and delicious. So what's more to say? Let's get started. So to start with, I have 2 cups of rolled oats, which I'm just going to add to my food processor, or you can use a blender, it's up to you. And then I also have 2 cups of coconut flakes. Once your mixture is finely ground up like so, we can add in the rest of our ingredients. Told you, this one's easy. So the next thing I'm going to add in is half a cup of either dark chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then I also have a 4th cup of chia seeds. And then to give it all its protein, I have half a cup of peanut butter. You can add almond butter, cashew butter. This one's really up to you, but everyone loves peanut butter. Unless you have an allergy, then not so much. And I also have half a cup of honey to add the sweetness factor, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of salt. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So now we're just gonna blend this together so everything is all mixed. If you feel like your mixture is too dry, you can always add in a bit more honey or peanut butter, or a little bit of both is always a great combo. But today I find that this has worked perfectly. It's at a great consistency and I can start rolling it into little balls. So let's get rolling. This recipe can make up to 20 to 40 of these little protein bites. It just depends on how big or small you'd like them. And I actually got this recipe today from one of my favorite bloggers. She has great vegetarian recipes and sweets, which I always love. It's called Pinch of Yum. You guys should definitely check out her blog because she has so much good stuff. Alright, so once you've rolled out all of your cookie dough bites, you can put them in the freezer for about an hour to let them set. Or if you're impatient like me, you can just have one now. They are pretty much just as good. So I'm gonna have a taste of one right now. Also, a little side note, it's something I love to do with these is just give them a little dip of chocolate on the outside and let it cool. It really kicks it up a notch. But today we're keeping it simple. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try it and let me know what you think and enjoy them as much as I do.